So in India, the dance forms are divided into two categories. The first one is classical dances and the other one is folk dances. So the basic difference between these two dance forms are, in classical dance, there are particular steps and they are performed in particular events, whereas folk dance, they can be performed during the festives or any other day too. So this is the basic difference between classical dances and folk dances. So in India, according to Sangeet Natak Academy, the headquarters is in New Delhi. There are total 8 classical dance forms, whereas according to Ministry of Culture, who is the Union Minister of Culture? Let me know in the comment box. So according to Ministry of Culture, there are total 9 classical dance forms, including the Chau dance. So those 8 classical dance forms are, the first one, the oldest one, which is associated in the state called as Tamil Nadu. That is Bharatnatyam. The other one is Kuchipudi from the state of Andhra Pradesh. Next is Odissi from the state of Odisha, and the capital is Bhubaneswar. The next, which is very important, Mohiniyattam from the state of Kerala. Then up next is Kathakali, which is from the same state, that is Kerala. The sixth one, that is the newest form, that is Satiyara from Assam. Seventh is Manipuri from the state of Manipur. And the eighth, that is last, from the northern state of India, that is Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, which is a storytelling dance form.